Why do we cough in flu and cold? Coughs are an ever-present wintertime companion. But does coughing serve any purpose at all? Or is it just a clever method that viruses use to spread? Coughing is a normal reflex to clear the airway of small particles, microorganisms, mucus, or food or drinks accidentally going down the wrong pipe. But when we are plagued with a pesky cold or flu infection, cough takes on a new dimension. What often starts as a tickle in the throat, that the first sign of an upper respiratory tract infection can easily turn into a full-blown dry cough, most likely followed by a hacking, mucus-producing cough that can be very uncomfortable. Why do we cough when we have a flu or cold infection? The study of coughing. Humans naturally infected with rhinovirus, which is the cause of the common cold, or the flu virus, which causes influenza, do not make good study subjects as their symptoms vary greatly from person to person. Instead, cells from our airways and guinea pigs are the models of choice when it comes to studying cough. Inflammation, cell damage, and mucus. Cold and flu viruses attack our bodies through our nasal lining. In response, our immune systems try to fight back by opening a Pandora's box of inflammatory chemicals. Human rhinovirus if infection is known to lead to high levels of pro-inflammatory molecules such as bradykinin, also implicated in causing sore throat, tachykinins, calcitonins, gene-related peptide, and leukotrienes. While these play important roles in the battle against the common cold, some scientists point the finger squarely at these molecules as the reason of our cough. Damage to the cell lining in our airways is common in influenza infections and may be why we tend to experience more severe coughing fits with flu than with the common cold. Mucus production is also in the mix of factors to lay the blame on, as it is known to stimulate nerve receptors. This leads us to the crux of cough: nerve endings in our airways. Coughing is temporary. The good news is that most coughs clear up within 3 weeks, although some, known as post-viral or post-infectious cough, can last for up to 8 weeks. Unfortunately, there is little evidence to suggest that cough medicines are effective in easing your cough.